From this very place, Chios Island was born from nothingness. A rock, a single drop, a seed, the melody of summer, a solitary tear. And from this void, an epic story emerged. How many places on this planet remain which you can explore carefree and share with the people you love? A place that accepts you as you are. To walk on a land that has stories as many as its stones, as many as the drops from the trees that grow only here. Chios is what you cannot see with just your eyes. It hides its truths well. A place where, while everything around us changes, here, history and tradition are still alive. Villages untouched by time, paths walked by ancient travelers, medieval castles where life continues in their alleys, people who want to get to know you and offer you from their hearts. This year, we await you on our island, Chios, to live in a place where heritage plays the leading role. We, the people of Chios, know two truths. The first is that our island has no tourists. We have friends, travelers, people who feel this place is their home too. Free to travel and to get to know the history and tradition of an authentic island, traveling hand in hand with us through the heritage of the Aegean Sea. And the second is that whoever comes here becomes a part of the island, because Chios makes you a native. Chios, loved by nature.